Hello creative people. Welcome to the channel. A really cool color for florals is Daniel Smith's Perylene green. It's an easy color to reproduce. Unfortunately, Daniel Smith watercolors are expensive and sometimes it's not worth buying the color if you don't use it much. So, let's try to reproduce this beautiful color that I like to use in my floral watercolors. My name is Norma Corrado. Stay with me until the end to find out if we can do it or not. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Take advantage, the link is in the video description. To complete this challenge we'll use watercolor, brush, color wheel and a small white porcelain plate. Let's start by analyzing the color Perylene green. The predominant color is a very dark green. So let's use Hooker's green. Let's use the color wheel to see which color we start with. We know that complementary colors, that is, colors that are opposite each other on the wheel, when mixed together produce neutral brown tones. So let's mix the opposite colors on the wheel, red and green. Now let's think. If I use red it will turn brown, so I can't use it. But if I use violet it will darken because violet has red in its composition, and it will maintain the shade of green that I want because violet also has the color blue. For those who don't know how to use the color wheel, I'll leave the link to my color theory video here in the description. So let's test it. The first try was almost good. I added a little more green and that's it. It was very similar. So this is how I create the colors I need. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create the color Perylene green in watercolor. Now it's your turn to make this color. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment too. And of course, subscribe to the channel, leave a like and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.